Hello, I'm Mark Butler. I'm a co-owner of ColLABorators located in Buffalo, New York.
Tell us a little bit about your company.
We are a startup company, and we develop novel, customized research tools to facilitate research scientists in their research studies. We use 3D printing as well as subtractive manufacturing and standard woodworking techniques. We do things including electronics and hardware and software development, as well as mechanical projects.
What are some examples of the projects your company has worked on?
We've done a significant amount of work for Dr. Fleisler in his traumatic brain injury studies, developing rat holders, as well as upgrading his blast unit to improve its functionality. We've also developed a device for a colleague of ours to facilitate her ability to image larger fields of view in bovine cornea. We've developed a number of cognitive tools to help an investigator with his research program, including a Barnes table, T-maze, and gate track. And we installed a custom release mechanism which allows the animal to be released from a remote location to remove any bias that could be introduced by proximity of the researcher to the animal.
Sounds like you're an all-around problem solver for a lab.
That's our goal. We take all of the tools that have, and our expertise, and we apply it to our clients' problems to help solve any issues that they may be struggling with.
Where can someone find out more information about your company and the services you offer?
We're located in Buffalo, New York, and we have a website, ColLABorators.com, and our number is 716-725-5781. I would just like to thank everybody for the opportunity to work with them.